Good afternoon everyone, or magandang hapon. It's Thursday afternoon and this is gonna be a continuation of our last video. We learned how to say January to June from the last video, and on this video, let's learn how to say July to December. Okay, simulan na natin. July is Hulyo. 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 And the month of August in Tagalog ay Agosto. Agosto. A-gus-to. Agosto. And the month of September sa Tagalog ay Setyembre. Setyembre. Bre. Bre. Setyembre. Here comes October, or sa Tagalog ay Oktubre. Oktubre. Re. Oktubre. Okay, we're almost there. And November, sa Tagalog ay Nobyembre. 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 And last one, December or Disyembre. 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 So, those are our 12 months in a year, and I'm also gonna put the link for the last video, which is January to June. And if you haven't seen that yet, you might wanna check on that and learn how to say January to July, and then we can do the review. Okay, here comes the review. Let's say January to December. Handa na? January. Enero. Pebrero, Marso, Abril, Mayo, and June, Hunyo, Hulyo, Agosto, Setyembre, Oktubre, Nobyembre, at December, Disyembre. Okay, so ayun ang ating 12 months in a year. Bye!